Have you ever improvised a repair, fashioned a homemade tool, or created a shop make-do? Then you'll appreciate today's shop hacks.
Our reader, Wayne, does a lot of welding around his shop, but never had enough room on his welder stand to hold all his welding tools or consumables.
So, the Missouri farmer created a tool and supply cart tailor-fit for welding.
2x4s and plywood were his building materials.
An upright piece of plywood offers holes which readily accommodate tools.
One option would be to use pegboard to create customizable storage.
The shelf, again made from plywood, provides ample space to hold lengths of PVC pipe that provide storage for a wide assortment of welding rods.
The whole affair rides on a set of casters.
The great thing about a roll-around storage rig like this is that all your welding tools and supplies can be wheeled across the shop right next to the work area.
There's more where this came from. Other farmer-inspired hacks like this can be found at agriculture.com/shophacks.
While you're there, vote for the Welder's Rolling Workstation that Wayne submitted in the Shop Hacks contest.